And yesterday at the Prime Minister's farewell dinner, Sonia Gandhi reportedly told her MPs not to lose heart because of the exit polls. Today, we are hearing that Congress is putting together Plan B in action. Let's go across to Meetu with details of that Plan B. Meetu, we are hearing that somehow the Congress is also putting a backup plan, trying to cobble up some sort of a united front together.
That's right. In fact, what we are being told, what sources are saying is that at least two people in the Congress camp are reportedly working the phones. One of them is Sonia Gandhi's political secretary, Ahmed Patel, and the second, of course, is... That's right. In fact, what we are being told, what sources are saying is that at least two people in the Congress camp are reportedly working the phones. One of them is Sonia Gandhi's political secretary, Ahmed Patel, and the second, of course, is Sharad Pawar, the political veteran, so to say. The sense in the Congress camp is that the NDA will fall short of their numbers. They will stop short somewhere between 200 to 220 seats. Where the Congress is concerned, the Congress's tally could be not more than between 90 to 100 seats. In a situation like this, the Congress is now very keen on stitching up an alliance with all like-minded parties like Rashid Alvi said in the morning, which is why the first indication coming is, like you could see Mamta Banerjee, Rashid Alvi said in the morning that we could have an alliance of like-minded parties with Mamta Banerjee heading it. Now, that's an extremely unusual statement coming from the Congress party, but that is not all. We also understand that Sharad Pawar has spoken with Mamta Banerjee. What we are also being told is that at the meeting of the spokesperson a short while ago, one of the briefings, one of the things that they were told is that tomorrow the regional parties should not be criticized, because the worry is that at the moment the Congress's really saving grace is going to be the regional parties. So spokespersons as such have been told to keep away from criticizing regional parties. What we are also being told is that there is a possibility if an alliance of sorts could be stitched up, then in a situation where a Mamta Banerjee would not want to be doing business with the CPM could be giving support from the outside.